What is the fastest way to learn Django?
It is a pity that Django is not simple enough for Khan Academy.
They do good teaching Common Core math, and I've heard they teach kids HTML5.
JavaScript too, but Django's a little more advanced than that.
I checked out Code Combat. They have games to teach you Lua, CoffeeScript, JavaScript and even Java, but no Django.
Django is a framework for using Python efficiently and effectively. Code Combat does help teach you Python, and after you learn Django, you'll learn to make better programs.
So where do I learn Django?
The site FullStackPython.com has a very detailed section on the Django framework.
As long as it is not too hard.
Python is not as hard as SAC, and Django can make it easier because you get a structure on which to lay the code. And have fewer head-banging sessions figuring out where you made an error.
Where else can I learn about Django?
Udemy has a decent course on it.
But only some of their classes, like the one for Swift, are free.
So try DjangoProject.com. That's an excellent, free resource.
What else do you recommend?
Try the Paula's tutorial on Django, though it assumes you already know Django really well, and have all the supporting software and IDE installed.
I am nowhere near that.
So read the book or visit the website Learn Python the Hard Way. You need to know more than the basics to be ready for Django. When you're ready, start reading at docs.djangoproject.com.
Is that a book on Django?
That's the website for the open source group that manages the whole framework and sets the standards for it.
I'd rather read the Python the Hard Way books that slog through a bunch of standards documentation.
Their website has tutorials on Django and example frameworks. So no, it is not as bad as crossing tech manuals written by techies with political meanderings.
I would consider their tutorials a pretty fast way to learn the framework.
If you find you are not up to speed on Python, try the edX courses on Python. Or do the Coursera class on Python, though they only touch on what the frameworks do.
I want lessons on the framework itself.
Then try the Tango with Django site. That's a beginner's guide to the Django framework. Or getting started with Django.com, if you do not want one with